Time is valuable, and let's face it, not a lot of us have it. So today I'm going to show you how to create 5 different designs out of one Kittl template. This design is going to be perfect for anybody that's selling digital products or print on demand. So let's go. The first step is, of course, finding the template that we're going to be using. On Kittl, you can see that we can filter it down for a lot of different ways. We can do colors, themes, styles, typography, vintage, streetwear, etc. So I'm gonna go with vintage t-shirts today. We're gonna do a bit of scrolling, and then I'm gonna pick which one I feel is going to be the absolute best for 5 different design styles. I'm gonna go with this design right here. All right, so I'm gonna be using the theme of Valentine's Day for all of these designs. First one that I wanna do is Love Potion. So I'm gonna type in love and then potion down here. Perfect. Now I want something different for the elements. So we'll delete all of this, probably keep those ones. Actually, I think I'm gonna get rid of all of that, and instead we're gonna find some hearts. I'm going to leave this one in the background though. The next part I'm gonna do is go over to color palettes, and I'm gonna choose one that's just more Valentine-like this one, Red Autumn. All right, so going over to elements, let's type in retro hearts. These are perfect. Just place these sporadically all over the place. Probably just hold the Alt key down and grab another one, shrink it down, tilt. That's cute. We'll grab another one. I really like these, so let's go ahead and try the Kittl Copilot and see what other designs it comes up with that are similar to this one. I like this one right here. So we just need to adjust the colors. Over here, we'll just switch it to the yellow and the white. We'll switch that to, this pink color, that's good. And then we'll change that from black to this deeper red shade. All right, so I'm just going to shrink this down a bit and place it wherever I think it should go. We'll just put that right there for now. And now I'm going to type in potion and see what we can get out of that. Ooh, this one's pretty cute. What if we did love potion? Ooh, I really like this one. This one looks like a potion. Okay, so let's make this one bigger. And I think what would look cute is if we had some of these hearts inside of it. So we will just pop these inside, but we will make them go all over the place. All right, that is perfect for our first design. The next one I had planned was hugs, kisses, and retro wishes. So let's do hugs, kisses, and then this one will be retro wishes. Nice. Okay, let's go ahead and make this a bit larger, and we'll make this one a bit larger too, just so that we can see them really good. And we will delete all of this. And this time I want to delete the center as well. And let's choose a different color palette for this one. I love this color for this one, Lilac Wine. So for this one, I'm thinking it might look cute to have different types of lips and kisses. So let's do that. Mouth or kiss. I'm not sure if we want mouth or kiss on there. See what we get with just putting mouth in there. Not really. Oh, this one's cute. I like that. That's a cute one. Let's see if we can find very not realistic ones, not what I'm looking for. That's cute. Let's do retro and just leave it at that and see if we find anything else that we think might work well. This is kind of cool looking, and I love this. Okay, I think we got enough elements to work with here. I don't think we'll want that one, but we might. Let's make this one larger. Be good for the center. There we go. See if we can center that a bit and then change the colors. I like that. So let's move that to the back. Now let's arrange these in kind of a silly little way here. We'll just kind of pop them randomly. We can always change the colors too, so we don't have to worry about that. If we feel like there's just too much purple, we could select this and we could change the color to a different color. Let's choose this purple that's right there. So we'll want to change that, and we can choose any color that's already in the design. I don't think that makes it pop much. Probably a pink. All right, so we'll keep that one there. We'll keep this one here. I like the colors of this one. And then I'm thinking maybe just one more, and that will look like a cute design. So let's do retro lips and see if we find what we're looking for. Oh, looks like we will. Okay, this one right here. Okay, so that could be design number 2. All right, I saw something that said rock and roll romance the other day, and I thought that was really cute, so I want to do something for that. I'm going to leave the text the same, but we're going to do rock, and I believe they go in roll. There we go. And then this one would be romance. Perfect. Love using a template for this stuff. All right, let's go to browse and see which ones we can do. I liked Red Autumn, but I love this one. First Love. That's the one we're going to do. All right, so with rock and roll, we'll just do retro, rock and roll and see if anything pops up under that. I love the tape. If you like something, but you're not sure if you're going to want to use it, I love the fact that we can just do this with Kittl. We can move things off to the side, but we don't lose them. All right, I like the idea of a retro guitar. This would look great in the center, I think. There we go. We can tilt it a bit. Perfect. Let's change that color palette. See if we like it, if it were to match. Ooh, retro summer. Retro summer looks great with that. That's awesome. All right, let's find some hearts. We can put those maybe like right here. I'm just going to type in music and see what other items pop up for us. Ooh, I love the idea of a record. Let's choose this one here. It's the most retro looking one already. Make that larger. All right, and let's push that to the back. Now we can shrink this down. There we go. Can adjust these colors of these hearts, and let's find something else that's music or rock related. Perfect. This one look great. Add some color, and we'll probably just leave it the color that it is because I think it looks cool. How about we just copy it and flip it and shrink it down a bit so that it looks like a whole new element. There we are. Perfect. And I'm thinking one more thing right here and we'll have it. Oh, or we already have a record, so how about a record player? That should do it. Okay, that could be design number 3. The next one I saw was Twist and Shout for Love, which I thought was really adorable. Awesome. Let's choose a different color palette. Kind of like that. Coral Reef looks pretty good. And I don't think I like the twist and shout. I think we want twist and shout. So let's do the and symbol. There we go. I think that's gonna look, yeah, that looks way better. Let's see if AI can help us with this one, because I have a picture in my head. Let's see, generate retro style image of 2 hearts smiling that are twisted up together. Let's see what happens with this. Let's see what design style, what clip art styles we have to work with. We'll go with mascot and generate. Let's see what we get. I think we can make this work, guys. All right, let's make it larger and let's take the background off, remove background, and let's change the colors. So the best way to change colors on an image is to use the photo filter. We'll adjust it down a little bit. That might make it look a little better for us. We can increase the hue. We can change the hue up a bit. That is closer to what we are wanting. And I'm thinking to pull it all together, maybe we put some blue and purple hearts on here so that it kind of makes sense that they're twisted up together. I'm just going to grab a simple shape and we will cover this portion here. Try not to make it, we want it to cover the color that it has right here. All right, and so we will take this and burn it this color, and then we're gonna do the same thing over here, except we'll change it to that color. All right, now it looks a little awkward right now, so let's choose the face to go on it, and maybe that will tie everything together. All right, so if we actually go to illustrations, we'll be able to find the faces that we're looking for under mascots. I think this could work. So let's move that over here. I want it to work with our eyebrows that are already there. All right, so now we'll just have to hit the eraser, and it needs us to rasterize it first, but then we can just erase the eyebrows that come with it. Done. Okay, and then we will just hold the Alt key down and move that over and do basically the same face, but on the other side. I think this can work, so this will be our design for number 4. And the last one I want to do is Be Mine Valentine. Pretty basic, but after that last one, I think we needed a little bit less of a challenge. All right, sometimes I wonder if I spell things right, but I got it, we got it, we're good. Okay, let's choose another color palette. And of course, we can always adjust these ourselves, but I just find using the color palettes faster. So sometimes it's just nice to have it just already done for you. How about this heart cake? Cakes are really popular right now. We'll shrink it down a bit. That could work. All right, let's add some more elements. I like this little dancing heart person. That's cute. We can make it look like she's dancing on that one, and then we can change the color so that she stands out a bit more. There we go. Yeah, that's cute. And I'm thinking just these little lips could be cute as well, and we can put those like this. Let's see what color would look best with those. I actually like having that bold color right there. All right, there we go. That could be our 5th and final design. All right, there we go. We made all 5 of these designs with just one template. Sometimes we just don't have a ton of time to put into getting our businesses off the ground or designing new designs every single day. But in all reality, that's what makes us become successful faster, being able to pump out designs and pump out products as fast as we can and get them out there in our digital shops. So little tricks like this, being able to use one template to be able to get multiple designs is definitely a huge shortcut and a huge time saver. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up so that it gets pushed out to anybody else out there who needs to cut a few corners with time. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I post a video. Go out there and design a life you love, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.